In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Asam Mukhtar Chima and you are watching Bahawalpur TV. In today's video, I will discuss and share 5 fruit plants which you can grow from cutting or air layering for free. So no need to buy fruit plants from nursery or anywhere else by spending your precious money. So if you love gardening tips, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. First one in the list is guava. Guava can be easily grown from air layering. Rooting appears in 3 to 5 weeks. Guava has very high success rate for air layering. Air layered guava plant produce fruiting faster than seed grown plants. For fast rooting, use moist cocoa peat and plastic wrap. Best season for air layering in guava is rainy season. The next one is grapes. Grapes can also be grown easily from hardwood cutting. Time of rooting in grapes is 2 to 4 weeks. Ideal season is rainy season or spring season. For better results, use pencil thick cutting with 2 to 3 nodes or buds. Next one is lemon. Lemon can be grown easily both from air layering and from cutting. Rooting time in lemon is 4 to 6 weeks. For better results, apply rooting hormone. It shows better success rate if it's grown in pot. The next one is pomegranate, a very hardy and easy to grow fruit plant. It can be grown from both cutting and air layering. Rooting time is almost 1 month both for cutting and air layering. Best season for air layering is rainy season. However, for cutting, it shows better results during dormancy. It's a very drought tolerant plant, performs well even in poor soil. Ideal for Pakistan climate. Last but not the least is mango. Mango can be grown through air layering, although it's a bit difficult. Time to root is 6 to 8 weeks. Air layered plants produce fruiting faster than the seed grown plants, and it's also produced true to type. True to type fruit means the taste of fruit will be same as that of parent plant. A healthy semi-hardwood branch have better success rate for air layering in mango. So that's all from today's video. If you like this video and find it informative and interesting, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video. Let me know your thoughts, comments and questions related to gardening and plants in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.